Welcome back. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to freeze panes in Excel. Even with a long Excel sheet, you will no longer have to scroll up and down to view the header. Let's begin. Open the Excel sheet that contains your data. Go to the View tab in the Excel ribbon. Locate the Freeze Panes option in the window group. Click on it and you will see three options. Freeze Panes locks both rows and columns above and to the left of the selected cell. Freeze Top Row keeps the first row visible while scrolling down. Freeze First Column keeps the first column visible while scrolling right. Select the option that best fits your needs. Unfreezing Panes. If you need to remove the freeze, go back, click Freeze Panes, and select Unfreeze Panes. That's all for today. For more tutorials, please subscribe.